Asus's Vivobook S14 comes in some pretty standard packaging and a minimal unboxing experience. It's a portable machine that retails for 3,999 dirhams in the UAE, and first of all, we'll put it off to the side and see what else we've got. There's a very nice charging brick adapter included out of the box, as well as the charging cable. We'll grab the laptop now, which comes in a protective sleeve, and the first thing I notice is how lightweight it is. The brushed aluminum finish definitely adds a bit of premium, and those colorful edges give the laptop a bit of character. Opening the lid is sturdy too, and underneath you find a very good keyboard with great travel on keys and backlighting support. The laptop might not be the thinnest out there, but it's certainly got all the features. Its port selection is excellent, including a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.1 and 2.0 Type-A ports, an HDMI port, a headphone jack, and an SD card reader, although it's not full size. I think the Vivobook S14 rivals a lot of other ultrabooks directly, and to see it offer so much already is impressive. Asus wants to bring flagship features to its Vivobook lineup too, and another it's done well to include is the ErgoLift Design. With this, the laptop lifts up slightly when you open up the top, and this is incredible not only for improved typing experiences, but also for cooling the laptop when loading heavy tasks. Up front is a 14-inch NanoEdge Full HD panel with an 88% screen to body ratio for immersive content and good anti-glare support. The IPS panel is alright, with not so impressive viewing angles, but head-on it certainly isn't bad, but lacks a pop of color that you might associate with OLED panels. For audio, the Vivobook S14 comes with two Asus Sonic Master speakers, but because they're bottom mounted, sound quality is sacrificed as opposed to if they were side or top firing. But on the whole, this laptop aims to offer a solid middle ground experience. I like that it comes with a dedicated NVIDIA MX 150 graphics card, which should hold up for light gaming well, and the Intel i7-8565U, which is a recent but power-saving processor. You're looking at a generous 1TB of hard disk space alongside a 256GB of solid state or SSD storage for your OS. I've always been a fan of hybrid solutions like this, and it's nice to see Asus doing so. 16GB of RAM also should be plenty if you're using this machine for heavier things like browsing some graphic designs or video editing. One thing I would say is to rely on an external mouse for your work, because the trackpad on the Vivobook S14 isn't the best. But kudos to Asus for throwing in the fingerprint scanner, which is great for security and unlocking your laptop fast. So that about wraps up my first impressions. Something I want to test are the machine's temperatures and battery life for that 42 Wh cell, and hopefully that comes in due time. Thanks for watching this one. Let us know what you think about the laptop down below, and be sure to subscribe. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.